Hi, boys and girls. I just wanted to check in with you. Happy Monday. I wanted to just kind of show you what you're going to be looking at for this week. So, you guys know when you log in, you see that you have your stream. There'll be an announcement here. You can see I have it saved right now. We're going to head into the classwork page right here. And I wanted you guys, you can see right away that you're noticing that we have a research report section. This is where all your information is going to be for your research report. So the first thing I want to show you is down here. We have the resources for research report. And basically what I'm going to try and do is put any of the information, any videos in there that you will need as you're writing your report. The two that are in there right now are from Monday where we did, Wednesday and Thursday where you did your introduction. So if some of you want to go back and watch something because you want to revamp your introduction, please go right ahead and use that. You're also going to notice here that you have your April 29th through May 5th literacy assignment. And if I click in there and I scroll down, you're going to notice that you have your information. But right here, April 29th note taking, this is where all of your notes are. So I handed those back to you. They're graded, but your notes will be right there for you. You will need these when it comes time to writing your report. So you'll have all your different slides with all your information. Obviously yours are filled out, mine are not because it's just the note taking, the page for it, but your information is right in there, ready to go. And so you can use those to work on your body paragraphs this week. So in here at the very top, you see it says research report assignment. If we click in there, first of all, this report, this section that we're working on, you guys have till Tuesday, May 26th. So it says you will now be working on the body paragraphs of research report. All of your body paragraphs are due on Tuesday, May 26th. You should work on them each day. Each day, check your comments to see if I gave you feedback. I may ask you to add or change something in your work. You will also see the assignment April 29th through May 5th. These are your notes. You will need to review your notes to write your body paragraph. So it's all in there, all ready to go, but I just figured I'd go over that with you. So when we click in here, research report template, you guys have already filled in the title page and you've also done your introduction already, but you're going to see that it says body paragraph number 1, body paragraph number 2, body paragraph 3, and then it would have the conclusion. I actually already jumped in paragraphs 4 and 5. You should have paragraphs 4 and 5. Most of you will have at least 4. Some may have 5 because we did 5 subtopics, okay? So if you look down, now I have paragraph 4. In order to add a slide, boys and girls, all you have to do is click on the slide, right click on it, and you'll see it says duplicate slide. You would click in there, duplicate the slide, and then once you're on it, I can go ahead and change this to 5, whatever I need it to be. At the top part here, boys and girls, you're not going to keep body paragraph. That's where your subtopics are going to go, or subheaders. The headers you came up with, that's where they're going to go. And then what you're going to do is write your information in here. You'll do the same thing here. Delete this out and start writing in your paragraph for that section. Okay. So you'll have all those paragraphs. So like I said, body paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means I would start this one today, Monday. Body paragraph 2 would be Tuesday. Body paragraph 3, Wednesday. Maybe I take Thursday and Friday, or Thursday, and I go back and look at paragraphs 1, 2, and 3. Or maybe on Thursday I do paragraph 4. Then on Friday, because I have that little extra time, I could go back and check my work on 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that leaves me time to do paragraph 5 on Monday. You should be working on these every single day. So see a new work for each paragraph each day. It's not save it all to the last moment. You're going to be doing it each day. And I don't want to see that you're leaving it to the last minute. Okay? So that's your research report for today. When we look back in our classroom, I wanted to show you one more thing up here. Up here, you're going to notice it says Calming Corner. If you click in there, it says, boys and girls, here's a great resource. If you need help relaxing or taking a reset, please use the slides whenever you feel needed. Miss you, Mrs. Tassinelli. And if you open it up, it's our Calming Corner, and it has my cool little Bitmoji hanging out there. But if you click in here on each one of these, you can go ahead and click, and it'll give you like a little video to kind of calm you down. So if you're feeling stressed, boys and girls at home, please take time and take a look at these. They're just a great resource to have. So I hope you guys have a great week. I can't wait to see your work, and I'm super excited for you guys. And yeah, So if you need anything, you know I'm here, but I just wanted to kind of show you. Oh, one last thing I wanted to also show you is you don't just have your research report. When you scroll down, you will see that you have your May 18th, May 19th assignments, which include your daily checkout as well as science and math work for you. And then, you know, Wednesday and Thursday too. So it's not just that. I just put the research report in one area so that it would make it easier for you guys. All right. I hope you have a great week. And as usual, if you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out and ask. All right. Bye, guys.